Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. I have a new tool. Those of you that watch me have no doubt also been watching Evan and Caitlin. I freaking love those two. I swear to God. Anyway, their latest, I want to say it was on their second channel, Evan and Caitlin too. They tried out some mixing apparatuses, yes, some mixing tools, and I saw this and I really liked it, and so I ordered it. And then I got to the end of their video where they said that this was like second best to the cement mixer. But anyway, all that aside to say, I ordered it before I realized that they said it was okay, but not great. But anyway, I wanted to give it a try anyway. So this is the Pixis multi-purpose mixer. And as they so eloquently pointed out in their video, it's basically a drill bit. But it was only like $10 on Amazon when I ordered it. So I was like, I'll give it a try. You know, if it saves my wrist some trouble, then I would like for it to work. So it comes with, obviously, the drill. And it comes with 3 mixing paddles. And it comes with a charging cord. But that is not, we're going to use this today, but that is not the purpose of today's video. I went by Michael's and I found these that are so big you cannot even see them. Don't worry, you will be able to see the whole thing when I do this. But these are almost 18 inches in diameter wooden boards. I have 2 of them. I'm going to be using one of those today. And I'm going to be doing a resin pour on it, sort of similar to a paint pour. I'm hoping that it'll turn out really cool looking because these are huge and I kind of want to hang it up in my room or something. I consulted the color experts, aka my 2 darling boys, to ask them what colors I should do, and they said blue, purple, pink, and orange. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to utilize the pour cups that I got from Let's Resin. Let me see if I have that box over here still. Nope, that's not it. The pour cups, you saw them in last week's video. But anyway, I'm gonna use the little 4 divided one. Here it is. Found it. Okay. So this set comes with 4 cups. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is divided into 3. This one is divided into 4. And then we've got a 2. They don't hold a lot. So I don't know. Hopefully it'll be enough resin for what I need. I'm gonna mix up probably about 300 milliliters, I think. Yeah, about 300 milliliters for this, for the pour, and I'm gonna use mica powders for it. I might add some glitter into like 1 or 2 of the colors. I think it would be really cool to have like a blue with glitter, an orange, a purple with glitter, and a pink. I just did all of that and y'all didn't even see it. But anyway, so glitter, no glitter, glitter, no glitter. I think that would look kind of cool. Hopefully. We'll see. So I guess it's kind of experiment time, although people have done this before, probably much better than I ever could. So anyway, that was a super long intro. I'm so sorry for that. But let's go ahead and get some resin warming up, get it mixing up. I'm going to get my camera set up. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. I think I need to move my camera over to the other area and to do it over there. So, oh, and I'm also going to prep the board by putting some tape around the bottom of it, so that way, you know, any extra resin that goes over and under can just come off real quick with tape. So yeah, all right, we're gonna try this. We're gonna pour that. We're gonna mix all the things. All right, let's get started. Alright, friends. I hate it. But my beautiful children who are here right now said that they love it. So, I am actually going to finish this video. I know that I said, was it last week? Week before that, I can't remember. That I hated it so much that I would not post it. It's still a fail in my eyes, but they actually really love it. I do have plans for it. I'm going to redo it. I'm going to pour a black base and then the colors in there because I wanted the colors to be more opaque. They are not. You can clearly see the wood through them. It's very, very pretty as far as the glitter goes. The gold that I used was to try and like zhuzh it up a bit, and that looks like crap too, so this was my epic fail. Yeah, I think it's pretty bad. I know that they like it, but that's probably just because they like me. So, am I right?
Yes, maybe, yeah. What?
Anyway, that's going to be today's video. I'm currently on spring break vacation with my beautiful boys and my housemates' daughters, and we've been having all kinds of fun cleaning. And yeah, so anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this fail of a video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is